Thank you so much for staying with us. A Florida-based restaurant with Jamaican roots is gaining traction for putting a healthy twist on traditional flavors. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we feature Island Sips juice and salads.
From fades to flavor, O'Neil Jackson, CEO of Island Sip Juice and Salad, is now shaping healthier lifestyles. Trading in clippers for cuisine, the entrepreneur closed his barbershop and opened a restaurant in 2021.
Upon moving here, during the pandemic, I came to visit my mom, and I was driving around trying to find food. And I couldn't find any healthy food, and I was like, what? Florida, where everything grows? This is crazy.
With just a few $100s in hand, Mr. Jackson says the leap from barber chair to kitchen counter came naturally.
Even working in my barber chair, they have clients that come in sometime and they'll be like, I'm not feeling well, you know, my stomach, my this, my head, my joints, my this. And I'm like an empath, I feel people's energy. So whenever they tell me that, I always go home and try to research what it is that they're feeling. And then I would try to mix up a little concoction and bring it back to them and be like, taste that, take that. And it's crazy that maybe sometime after a week they will come back to me and say, oh my God, what did he give me? I feel so much better. You understand? So upon seeing that's what kind of driven my passion into the healthy eating.
From those early beginnings, Island Sip has grown steadily. What started as a small setup is now serving a constant stream of customers daily, with the menu expanding to meet rising demand.
We have a wide variety. We have juices, healthy juices that we do cold press. And we have salads, we have Buddha bowls with quinoa, we have, so lately we just introduced like wild salmon to the menu and wild tuna to the menu because a lot of people is, asking, for, meat.
Looking ahead, Mr. Jackson's vision expands beyond the kitchen.
It's always been my goal to build a culture, and once I build a culture, then I'll be able to expand to the community, because I don't want to expand to the community if I don't have a real culture in Island City.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.